Hey Monster Gardeners, are you used to using Grow More solubles? Used to using the Grow More fertilizer for your outdoor or greenhouse grow? Well, as you probably know, there's a supply chain shortage, pricing is going up. So we went ahead and we planned ahead for you. Last year, we bought a bunch so we'd be ready for right now. So everyone that knows the blue powder, the water-soluble fertilizer from Grow More, we have everything in stock. We have more than just this, plenty of back stock. We have 20-20-20, 10-52-10, 30-10-10. We got the Seed Grow all-purpose 16-16-16, the Seed Grow 4-26-26, the Hawaiian Bud and Bloom 5-50-17, and of course the Hula Bloom 0-50-30. So we make sure we have the full line of Grow More solubles in stock at the same pricing that you're used to, so that way you can grow with the best with Monster Gardens. Thanks again, I'm Steve, till next time.